Embark on your dream home journey with this Amazon 2-story prefab expandable container tiny home. This customizable modern villa is designed to perfectly match your dream tiny home or beach house. Its innovative solution offers unparalleled flexibility, being fully customizable in size, available in 20-foot or 40-foot module internal layout, and all finishes, ensuring your unique style is reflected in every detail. The foundation of this exceptional living space is its steel frame durability. Engineered with a detachable steel frame, this prefab tiny home is built to last. Its robust, weather-resistant construction ensures longevity and resilience, even in challenging environments, providing you with a secure and enduring investment. As your dream takes shape, elevate its aesthetic with the modern glass facade option. Upgrade your villa with sleek glass walls, transforming it into a contemporary masterpiece. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your luxury tiny home, but also invites an abundance of natural light, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and the beauty of your surroundings. For those envisioning more expansive living, consider this luxury double-story prefab container house, complete with folding stairs. It thoughtfully accommodates 2 to 4 bedrooms, alongside a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom, distinguished by panoramic windows that frame breathtaking views. It's an ideal choice for creating stunning vacation villas or for those embracing a mobile, flexible lifestyle, all within a modular assembly for remarkable portability and adaptability. Its ingenious modular structure ensures quick installation, allowing you to settle into your high-end, customizable abode with remarkable efficiency. Experience cost-effective luxury living where high-end design meets affordability, offering a fraction of traditional construction costs with fully customizable options to fit any budget. Please check the link in the description for more info. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.